Alright, here is today's video. I have a Patriotic furby here, and I'm going to open them. So, yeah. Okay, let me first cut the side open. So I can actually... let's cut open the top first, and then I'll cut open the side. There we go. That came off really easily. Okay. I can't get that open. I'll have to flip this around and cut this. There we go. Okay. Let's just see the top of the box. Yeah, there he is. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it has the original receipt. Cool. Has this guy been... No. Wait, is that the receipt? I think so. Oh, cool. Alright. Yeah, there he is. Cool. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get that out, actually. But yeah. Here's my Patriotic furby. I guess you can't really see it. I should probably move the camera more down. There we go. So yeah. It's still sealed too. Alright, I managed to get the receipt out. I just kind of opened the box a little bit on the top and it kind of just slid out, like when I tilted it upside down. I don't think I have a receipt for an original furby. Oh, it's just a Patriotic furby. That's so cool. Huh. That's really cool, actually. So yeah, that was today's video. Yeah, this is really cool. This is my first Patriotic. I don't know why the little sign or the KB thing right here looks like that. I've never seen one look like this before. Usually they have something underneath it saying like something about batteries, but this guy doesn't. But yeah, let me know if you want to do like, or if you want me to do an unboxing of him, like actually opening him, because that's not what I'm going to be doing in today's video. It's just opening him. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.